Hi, Todd's back. We're hyper-focused, obviously, on Halloween. The Hurricane Melissa thing, is that like a next week thing, if it even, or is that not coming anywhere near the East Coast where we don't have to worry about that?
It's not going to hit the East Coast of the United States, but some of that moisture from it is what we'll see in the form of rain here Thursday night into Friday.
So that's this week. Okay.
That is this week.
I don't know how those things, how fast those things move. So
yeah, well, it's funny because it's not moving right now. I mean, essentially, it's moving at like 3 miles an hour, but it is going to pick up a lot of. It
won't be here by Thursday. not at that pace.
Not at that pace, right? It's got to get moving. It's got to get moving. But it's not a threat to the U.S. other than getting some rain out of it. Real quick, Christian gave us a rundown of everything with the hurricane, but it's just such an impressive satellite loop that I just wanted to show it to you again here for a second or two. Starting to move to the north and east, closing in west side of Jamaica. Cat 5. I mean, this is going to be a catastrophic situation for, western parts of Jamaica. Montego Bay is on the north side here, so it will get a little bit of protection, but, it's a huge resort town. Kingston's over here on the east side of the island where the strongest and highest mountains are. It'll get ripped apart a little bit by some of the mountains. They're about 7,500 feet tall, so it will weaken some, but still be a big problem for Cuba, and then for the Bahamas, and then perhaps even swiping Bermuda on its way out into the open Atlantic. Crazy, crazy. 40 degrees or so, but the wind is starting to blow, and wind chills are an issue, and it is going to kind of nip at you and bite at you most of the day. It'll be present all the way through the evening hours. Currently, it feels like the mid-30s. This low shifting away, high pressure replacing it. So pretty quiet for the next couple of days, other than that chilly breeze. This low with a lot of rain goes east and out to sea. That misses us. This next guy will not. That's what we'll get some rain from, and likely getting a little bit of tropical moisture in there too from Melissa as it swings by. So mostly clear to start. There will be a few patchy clouds in down east Maine early this morning, but we'll get rid of those and you'll get some sunshine too. Dress warmly. It feels like the 30s. Temps do make a nice, healthy recovery back up to normal levels, average levels. But with the breeze, you got to shave almost 10 degrees off, so it's going to feel like 40s. There'll be a lot of sun, though, to offset things, so that's nice. This afternoon, though, that sun will get filtered a little bit by high clouds. You won't have an interruption this afternoon from a brief shower like you did yesterday. This afternoon, these thin clouds will just give us some color at sunset and maybe filter a little bit of sunshine late in the day. Northerlies between 10 and 20 miles per hour, average highs 55. And we're going to be really close to that in almost all spots. Even the mountains will get up to 50. Tomorrow still looks pretty good, but Thursday, here comes this front, and it'll be a strong one with showers along it. And then some of that tropical moisture gets infused into that front, leading to some downpours and perhaps a rumble of thunder Thursday night and Friday morning. I still like the timing for trick-or-treating. Most of, if not all of the heavy rain gone for those trick-or-treating hours, 4 o'clock to like 9 o'clock in the evening after the sun goes down. We'll be drying out, but the breeze will be picking up, and that breeze will be with us all weekend long, and it will be a cold one too. Blustery conditions on Saturday, but we'll get sunshine over the weekend. Rainfall amounts have come down a little bit from yesterday, but they're still going to be fairly impressive. Probably around an inch with locally higher amounts in spots, maybe up to 1.5 inches. Small craft seas 3 to 5 feet, north winds 15 to 25 knots. Sunshine today, but breezy, highs in the mid-50s. Partly sunny tomorrow, also in the mid-50s. Well, showers will break out late in the day on Thursday. Thursday night we get some downpours. Friday morning we get some downpours, but Friday afternoon we are clearing. It will get up to about 60 for a high temperature, which sounds nice and mild, but keep in mind that breeze will be kicking up when your kids are out getting some candy. Over the weekend, back to the cold, either side of 50 on Saturday and Sunday, but both days will feature some sunshine in there, and it looks pretty quiet through the weekend, other than the wind and the cold. Yeah.
Normal at this point.
Exactly.
It's after Halloween now.
It sure is.
That means the heat has to come on.
And the heat goes on for you.
That's right. We'll see. All right, thank you.